Every time I go somewhere, my goal is to fit everything in a single bag for a carry-on. No matter how long or where I'm going, everything should be able to fit in one bag and not like 6. I personally just don't want to pay for that check bag, and plus it just adds so much time to your trip if you do check a bag. What's up, you guys? I'm Jacob Fisher, and it's Friday, so we're talking travel. Today, let's dive into some travel hacks to fitting everything in a carry-on. First of all, obviously it doesn't work if you have kids and you have to carry all their stuff, or if you're going skiing and need to bring your own equipment, or any such large item like that. Just a trip to the Colorado mountains, this is perfect. Let's start with the bag. It has to be a carry-on to be able to obviously fit for a carry-on. I have this great Patagonia bag that really has worked quite well for a lot of my trips over the years. Plus, I know I can send it to Patagonia if it ever breaks so I can get it fixed. I do wish it had some more pockets though, inside pockets to help with some storage. It would keep things a bit more organized. That would really make this bag the best. I also like to have a list for every single trip I go on. I will check off every item line by line when it goes into my bag so I know I don't forget any. Have you ever forgotten something and really wished you hadn't forgotten it? Well, this list is perfect for you. It solves your problems. I've never forgotten a toothbrush, chargers, or anything once I started making the list. If you walk away with anything at the end of this video, please let it be the list, because it is so helpful just to get everything down. Or if you already do it, let me know in the comments. But what about fitting everything in one bag? First of all, you need to pack light. Let's take a trip to Miami. We're going to be on the beach and spending time in a nice restaurant or out at a bar. Get that list out. 5 days, right? Let's get to it. Obviously, to fit everything you need to pack light. Just because you're going out at night doesn't mean you need 4 outfits to wear. Miami, so we need sandals and nice shoes, and then a pair of running shoes if you want to do that too. You don't have to. You don't need 4 pairs of shoes just to visit Miami. 2 nice shirts and a pair of pants. Here are all the things I will be taking, and here they are, all in the bag. Clothes are all folded up to save space. Electronics up in this top pouch to kind of organize it a little bit, with my running shoes in another little pouch that keeps them a bit separate, and any sort of smell kind of stays where they are. I'm not sure everyone's shoes will fit in here, but these shoes I have really fit nicely. I actually really needed new running shoes. I mean, check out the holes in these old ones. That's what happens when you wear shoes for over 1,000 running miles. Something that's kind of nice are little compression cubes. Now, I don't have them, but you can get them off of Amazon, and they really condense everything down into small little bite-sized packages. Let's say you're going to Colorado for a winter trip, not skiing because of boots, they just won't fit in there. Don't pack your down fleece, it takes up the whole bag. Pack some lighter layers you can fit in. I have 2 jackets I wear around here, and I can guarantee you that I am as warm as you in that down jacket. Secondly, if you're bringing hiking boots because you're going hiking, then wear them on the plane. That beats the bulk out of your bag. They're on your person, and they don't need to be in your bag. They'd really just take up a ton of space in your bag. Any large item that would take up most of your bag, just wear it on the plane. To summarize, we pack light. Don't bring unnecessary items with you. Wear large items on the plane, and make a list. You will thank me for that. I can guarantee it. Really, if there's anything you can walk away from this video, it's make a list. Just do it. Trust me. Try it once and you'll keep doing it. Let me know in the comments again if you have already done this. I just want to know, because it's been so helpful. Or maybe if you're planning to make a list starting now, let me know that too. Make sure you give this video a quick like if you enjoyed my tips and you enjoyed seeing me try to fit everything in a bag for a place I can't go currently. Until next time.